officially holiday season and I'm pretty excited. So keeping up with my Black Friday hot chocolate tradition, I have a brand new hot chocolate recipe to share with you guys. This year I have a calming hot chocolate. I feel like this year has been pretty intense for a lot of people, myself included. I've gone through a lot of changes. Also, holiday season can be very, very stressful, and I thought it would be nice to just share something that is really cozy and comforting and calming, and also a little bit different from what you typically see in the hot chocolate world. So here's what you're gonna need for this hot chocolate. 1 cup oat milk, or whatever milk that you prefer, 1.5 tablespoons unsweetened hot chocolate mix, lavender water or your favorite herbal tea, and some honey. I'm gonna start off by making a little paste for the hot chocolate. All you have to do is mix together the hot chocolate powder, the honey, and a spoonful of water in a small bowl. This will create a really glossy, almost ganache-like texture. Then, in a saucepan, I heat up the oat milk, but I make sure that it doesn't reach a boiling point. From here, I add in really small amounts of the chocolate mixture that I just made. This is because I want to keep an eye on the flavor because I am adding in the lavender and I don't want it to be too chocolatey or too sweet. Once the flavor is in a place that I'm happy with, I mix in the lavender water. And if you don't have lavender water, this is where you would steep your favorite herbal tea. Add in a little bit at a time until the flavor gets to a point where you like it. Once you're happy with the flavor, then just put it in your favorite mug and you're ready to enjoy your hot chocolate. All right, so that is going to be it for my hot chocolate recipe this year. I hope that you guys enjoy it. Also, I want to let you know before I go that I am doing a slightly different version of Vlogmas this year. So instead of every day, I'm going to be posting weekly vlogs, and the first one will be going up the first Tuesday in December. And then I will have 2 more going up on the following Tuesdays. So there will be a total of 3 holiday vlogs, and that will cover 3 weeks of time. I'm really excited for this because I think it'll be a fun way for me to share what's going on during holiday season, but it'll also allow me to be present in the holiday season as well, which is something that I'm really looking forward to this year. I cannot wait, and I can't believe we're in it now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so before I just start freaking out about how time is disappearing, I'm gonna go. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you very soon. Bye.